Right guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to be installing new bearings to my steering, the stem part of the bike. It's here, it's sort of been taken apart, but it's absolutely minging at the minute, so I'm going to give this a good clean and I'll get back to you when I've cleaned it all up. Right guys, this is obviously the cleaning stage of the headset. I've tried to clean it as best I can. There's a new racer. This is the racer that will be replacing this one. So this ring here goes on the underside and obviously the top side of the bike, the frame itself. You've got new dust seals, which will go replace this one here. So guys, in order to take this bottom headset section off of this stem, you either have two options. You can either have a press, an industrial press or something, get this pressed out, or you can either stick a chisel in there or flatten and just start prying it from underneath, and it should get this stem out, which I need to get out because I need to clean everything before I install all the new headset bearings, stuff like that to my frame.
Harder than I thought getting this racer and bearing off this stem.
That's pretty easy. Oh, look at that. That's finished, man. Guys, it's the next day and I've cleaned the other part of the steering headset. Put some polish over it and went over it with a Scotch pad as well. It looks brand new. So yeah, we're getting the bearings on next, so stay tuned. I also filed this. I managed to get the bearing out, and with a little bit of help, I mullered the lip that the bearing sits on, and I've obviously filed it all down. Went over it with a Scotch pad, and also went over it with some polish as well. So yeah, that helps. It makes it look, just shines really brand new basically. So yeah, stay tuned. I will be installing these in the next clip. Right, so I'm about to install this bearing and racer to the steering headset. Got the dust seal on. I just need a metal pipe or something, or just anything really, just to bang this, because every time I put that down, it just won't go any further. So yeah, I need something to bang it down with. So I'll get back to you when I have installed this. Grease the inside of this up, and then you can also grease, don't go too mad on it though. You might not need too much grease on the outside. It's just the inside of the bearing. You just got to grease the inside of the bearing up, and then yeah, I'll get back to you when I have installed this part, and then install the top part on the bike as well, because you can only obviously install the top part when you've got your headset in the bike. So yeah, I'll get back to you in the next clip. Right guys, so I've got the bearing greased up and the seal greased up. Now let's get ready to punch this in. So rule number one, don't bang it in like that, all the way around, because the pins
I was so pissed, haha. New bearing on order.
You end up disturbing the cage, and then yeah, then you have to deal with what I'm dealing with, which is you have to buy a new bearing, I think, because I'm not putting all these pins back in that cage. Yeah, that's another thing learned. Don't bang it in. Just, yeah, it don't work.